Hey everyone, just want to show this new product that we have. It's a Gaffer power gaffer tape that's premium grade. This one can be used for photography or videography. And yeah, let me show you some of its features. So first off, this is the material that you'll be getting. It's like some kind of cloth-like material. Uh, I can't tape with my hands, so to actually like cut it, I need to use a scissors or a knife or something like that. Besides that, this one does not leave residue, so it's a high quality tape that is suitable for a variety of purpose, but you need to stick things on valuable equipment or valuable client places or objects and stuff like that lah. So you know, yeah. So the size that I'm selling is the 2-inch wide one, and the length is 30 yards. The 30 yards is about 2.7 something or 2. It's almost 2.8 meters long for the whole length of the tape lah. So yeah. So let me show you the like a stick test. Let me stick this on a surface. Let me open it and show you. Here it is. After I peel it, this is how it looks. Okay, so I stick it onto this piece of plastic thing. Yeah. Okay. So show you like that it does not leave residue. But yeah. So there you go, this Gaffer Power premium quality cinematography tape that we sell. If you wish to make orders, please feel free to let me know, then I will handle your order lah. You can contact me through WhatsApp or email or the website. The fastest is through call, but WhatsApp also is quite fast. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video. And thank you everyone for watching. Bye. God bless.